Alright guys, it is like 25 degrees out. We're starting this hike. Little man back here is bundled up. We're doing the Emerald Pools. We're going to Emerald Pools right now, doing the Grotto Trail to the Kenyata Trail, and then I think we're gonna go down the Emerald Pools Trail. We're looking at the Kenyata one because it got better reviews, and I feel like there's gonna be less people. So, but overall, it's all about the same mileage. We parked at the lodge, and yeah, the Grotto Trail's pretty flat. Just goes through the valley of the canyon. But check out these views. One thing, make sure you bring enough water. We've loaded plenty. We got 3 liters. Obviously, if you're doing, a long distance hike, you can bring, filtered stuff for water and stuff. But we brought 3 liters, which is way too much, but it's better than running out.
Hi!
Look at this view, guys. That's pretty sick. So, just evidence, you don't have to be on Angel's Landing to see really good views in Zion. Obviously, everyone goes to Angel's Landing, but that's an experience in itself that I haven't done yet, and I want to do. But obviously, we got kids, I'm not going to do it. But evidence, you don't need to do that to get the good views. This is an easy trail, and it gives you fantastic views. So, just got into the bowl where the Emerald Pools are. We see a mini waterfall. It's just not big because there's not a lot of water, but we're heading there. All right, guys, just a little heads up. The lower trail on the Kenyata Trail got cut off here. It broke pretty much here. It's not very passable because it extends over here. So, just a heads up, you'll have to go to the upper Emerald Pools to start, but on the other side there should be a connector to get to the lower too. So we're just heading that way. Look at this. This would be pretty cool with water going down. And there's a little bit, obviously, you can see here, but not much. So be definitely something cool to see in the springtime when snow is melting. Alright guys, so we just got to where the trail parts to go to the lower and the upper. We're gonna go to the upper first, and then come back, and then go down to the lower, and then we're gonna extend on the Emerald Pools Trail back to our car. Not much water, so we'll see how good it is. We'll get good views though, that's for sure. Woo!
know.
What do you got?
Hiking hat.
A hiking hat? What's it say on the back? I think you have it backwards, but Zion National Park. Junior Ranger. He got that last time we were here, so it's cool that he's wearing it while he's hiking. Alright guys, I would definitely recommend doing this trail in the morning first thing. It's just the lighting and everything's so great. If you were to come later, like right now when the lighting's coming over, it obviously gets hotter, especially if it's summertime, but I don't know, it's just something about the morning hike that's so much better. So I would recommend going right at sunrise and getting to the top. Guys, this lighting back here is insane. The trees are like all bright, and then obviously the canyon and shade in here. I'm hoping I got a good picture. I think I did. It's kind of hard not to get a good picture with how everything is, but woo, we're here. All right, so we made it to the pool. Obviously not much, as we mentioned. There's a drought going on, but pretty crazy tall cliff here. All right, so we made it to the top of where the little waterfall is for the lower pool. So obviously upper pool is this way, comes through. Normally this faster flowing should be pretty wide here, but still a beautiful view. The sun's blocked out by the trees, so we get some really good lighting here, but we're gonna have to make our way down towards the lower pool. Off we are. All right, so we are back to the intersection. Sure you guys remember this little staircase. We're gonna go down to the lower falls here. Lower Emerald Pool with the falls. You hike right underneath it. So here we go. Alright guys, we're right under the main waterfall. It kind of looks like a cloud, but it's right here. Here we go. Hopefully this, oh there. Adjusted for the lighting. You got ice at the bottom. Obviously, be a bigger waterfall once all this ice and stuff melts up top, but pretty cool. Obviously the lower Emerald Pool, but gotta get going. Alright guys, I feel like I'm emphasizing this a lot, but do the Kenyata trail, especially coming up. It's just way better views. Going in and out of this Emerald Pools trail, you just don't get the good views of the canyon. This is about the best views you get, which is great. But you guys saw earlier the views walking up at the beginning of the Kenyata trail. It's just hard to beat, especially in the morning. But this is about the views that you get, but obviously no complaining. But do the Kenyata trails. It gets better reviews on all trails for a reason. If you guys enjoy this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe if you're not. I'd love to talk to you guys, so make sure if you want to talk to me, shoot me a DM on Twitter or Instagram. I've been a little more active on Instagram. It's the Mick Hoddersons on Instagram and Mick Hoddersons on Twitter. Thanks.